Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off eye protection or screen distance on your iPhone. So first thing first, go to settings on your iPhone, then in the settings go to screen time option right here, and now you'll see screen distance. Just click on that and simply turn off. It's turned on by default, so just click on that toggle and simply turn off the screen distance like that. So hope you enjoy, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Bye.